Alrighty, old goats. What we have today is we have the Zealsound E900-A Studio Microphone. We're going to unbox it, put it together, hook it up, and do a sound test. Let's look in that box here. Look at that. I mean, that is kind of nice looking. This must be what holds the mic. And of course, we have the cables that it comes with. Let's see here, what we got. We got 3.5 millimeters, USB, and a USB extender or whatever. I don't know. Instructions, which you might read later. But as far as the mic itself, oops, looks like I missed something. Yep, I missed the stand. And the little tripod for it. So the tripod, looks like you slide the pieces out here to create your tripod. And I'm going to, yep, that moves up. So putting it together seems fairly easy so far. Let's see, this is probably going to screw right on here. Just taking a guess here, guys. I'm not the smartest cookie in the cookie jar, but looks like I'm smart enough to figure this out. Now inside of here, we have a little thing there. Looks like there's a retention nut of some sort. Oopsie. There we go. Should probably loosen that up a little bit. And we'll push the microphone down in. If that's where it goes. I think that's where it goes. It looks like it's where it goes. Maybe I didn't loosen it. Maybe I tightened it. Yep, I tightened it instead of loosened it. Okay, so now she's in there. We're going to tighten her down. Bada bing, bada boom. There's the mic. Set up in all of its glory. Of course, you know, loosen this up to kind of position the mic where you want it to be. So if we set it here, blah 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 blah, we feel like a radio broadcaster with this. So let's go ahead and we'll cut here. We're gonna hook it up to the computer so we can get some sound coming from it. Okay, so oops, let's turn the echo down. There we go. That's better. So we're going to go ahead and record with the sound test for the mic. You know, just to kind of give you guys, you know, maybe an audio sample of what it might sound like. It is turned all the way up. The volume is all the way up. So we're just going to turn the volume down a little. Kind of at a loss here for what it's sounding like. I mean, I did take an audio sample and played it on the computer, and I really liked it so far. But it was a very short audio sample, so this is gonna demonstrate a better, longer sample for us. From what I heard, though, it sounded phenomenal. It sounded really good, even with the echo all the way on. So let's look at the mic and see what features and options it has. Now you'll have to pardon the mess of my office here. I got lots of things going on, and you know, it's just. I've still got work to do down here, so it's just kind of a mess. Anyway, this is what the mic looks like. Kind of beautiful. I'm sorry, was it close enough to pick up my voice up? I'm sorry, it is kind of far away. We'll turn the echo up, and of course that's going to give us the nice little echo. And then, you know, of course, we don't want the echo up. It's got a volume control here on the side. Blue light to show you that it's on. The on-off button, which, you know, when I plugged it in, it was, the light here was red. And a long press is what turns it on. So that was nice and simple. The tripod seems mostly solid. It is a little front heavy, so I mean, you know, if you're going to bounce around a little bit, probably not a good idea. It does have the stabilizer rubber bands here to reduce vibration from bouncing or bumping your desk. So that should be a good, I think that's a good feature to have. As far as connecting your stuff, it's all up underneath here. Let's see if we can focus on that. There we go. So you got the USB in, or out rather, which just connects to the USB in on your computer. And then you got your headphone jack over here. It's a 3.5 millimeter jack, and then you have your auxiliary jack right there. So I mean, as far as getting it set up, we could have plugged a headset into there so we could hear what we sounded like, but I'm at a loss for headphones. So as far as it looks, I mean, that looks phenomenal to me. It looks pretty good. You tell me. Do you think it sounds good? Do you think it doesn't sound good? I mean, I am in an open room basement with nothing really going on. There's some noise upstairs. The furnace isn't kicking on, so there shouldn't be a whole lot of background noise. And of course, this is not a mic that you get close to. This is a mic that you get a couple inches away from, and you just talk. You're fine. Everything's good. So we'll leave it up to you. Do you guys think this is a good mic? Does the sound quality sound good for you? Does it sound awesome? Does it sound horrible? What do you think? Leave your comment in the comments below. Leave your opinion on what it sounds like. We'll see what you guys think. We'll also put a link for this down below in the description so you can check it out on Amazon. Feel free to order it and make the people over at Zealsound happy. They do like to sell things. They do like to make mics. And from what I've heard so far, this mic is far better than the last Zealsound mic I got. I mean, considerably better. A lot. I really like the sound of this one from what little bit I heard when I did my initial little sound test off camera. I don't know. This sound testing a little bit longer, so more option for how it truly would sound. And I am trying to breathe a little heavier just so that you can maybe get an idea as to, because I mean, I was exhaling pretty good right there and I inhaled pretty deeply. So we'll see what that sounds like. And yeah. Bye.